Understanding 2 weeks notice. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, 2 weeks notice. Whether you're working in an English-speaking country or just curious about workplace culture, understanding this phrase is crucial. Let's unravel its meaning and use together. 2 weeks notice is a standard professional courtesy in many English-speaking countries. It refers to the period of time an employee informs their employer before leaving their job. By giving a 2 weeks notice, you're essentially telling your employer that you will continue to work for 2 more weeks before your final departure. Why is this period so important? Giving a 2 weeks notice serves several purposes. 1. Respect. It shows a level of respect and professionalism towards your employer and colleagues. 2. Transition. It allows time for the employer to find a replacement or redistribute your responsibilities. 3. Reputation. It helps maintain a positive relationship and reputation, which can be crucial for future references. When it's time to move on from your job, it's important to handle your departure professionally. Here's how to give a 2 weeks notice. 1. Prepare a letter. Write a formal resignation letter stating your intention to leave and your last day of work. 2. Meet your boss. Schedule a meeting with your supervisor to personally deliver the notice. 3. Stay professional. During the notice period, continue working diligently and assist in the transition process. While 2 weeks notice is standard, there are exceptions and additional considerations. Contractual obligations. Some contracts may require a longer notice period. Industry norms. Certain industries or positions might have different expectations. Personal circumstances. Sometimes, immediate resignation might be necessary due to personal reasons. Giving a 2 weeks notice is more than a formality. It's a reflection of your professionalism and respect for the workplace. Remember, the way you leave a job can be just as important as the way you perform in it. We hope this video helps you navigate your professional journey with grace and confidence. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.